sir. For these, sir. We need one further forward. Behind you, Chris, there's one. Put that one forward. Put it on the leading edge. I just saw her victim. Alright, everybody in position? Yeah. Everybody ready? Let's go. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's get another roller. I think we should spin it. Yeah. Which way you put your door? No, door faces go that way. Well, you face it this way. You could face it towards this house. Should we take these blocks?